What is EQT doing to meet the investors' increasing focus on sustainability?
Wow, that's a big question, but there is actually a short and simple answer. We live our purpose to future-proof companies and make a positive impact. We constantly try to anticipate what we and portfolio companies need to do to stay relevant. And through our journey, which we've been on for quite some time, we've really come to realize that our purpose is the greatest North Star of them all. And we have actually taken yet another big step on this journey. Earlier this year, following extensive analysis and dialogue with our stakeholders, not least our clients, we articulated and announced our elevated societal ambitions, all firmly aligned in the Sustainable Development Goals.
Which, if I understood correctly, can also be found in your strategy house.
Correct. So we have identified 4 dimensions. The first one is transparency and accountability, which we really see as prerequisites for business success, for society's success, because they could create trust. We then have our strategic focus areas, which is diversity and climate, where we are convinced that strong performance will lead to long-term value creation. And then finally, we have innovation and partnerships, which are critical enablers to allow us to move at the pace and scale that we want and need.
And how do you make sure that people and companies live up to EQT's purpose?
Well, what gets measured gets done, as we like to say, and particularly Therese likes to say. So we've set some very clear targets this year. One of them, the first one, is to have more gender-balanced boards and management teams of the portfolio companies, and also at EQT. The second one is to transition all of our portfolio companies to 100% renewable energy. Third one is to really integrate sustainability into our value creation plans, not just around it or as a side project, but totally integrated. And then finally, connecting these 3 goals to our compensation structures, which is also quite important. Furthermore, we took it one step further, and that is, together with the EQT board, we've set our new statement of purpose. We're the first private equity firm in the world, and we're probably one of the first companies in the world, actually, to have a statement of purpose and to integrate that into our articles of association.
Therese, would you like to add something to that?
No, I think with the integration also into the Article of Association, we're bringing the alignment of interests that you find in our industry to also the public markets. In my opinion, it's a far underutilized tool to do that. So it's sending a strong signal to shareholders.
And like I said, I look forward to really truly integrating sustainability into everything we do, both at EQT and at the portfolio company level. And if you reflect on our industry, actually, in private equity, it's pretty interesting. You know, we are active owners. We actually control the company's agendas. So we can truly help solve society's issues and drive that positive change that we talk about. And even EQT, I think we can take a particular responsibility because we have such a great governance model. So like I said, we'll continue to push this very hard in the future.